Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to navigate the trim home screen. Are you new to trim? Well, let's take a quick tour of the home screen so you know exactly where to find everything that you need. When you first open the trim app and log in, you're going to land on the home screen, also known as your dashboard. This is your financial control center. At the top, you're going to usually see a snapshot of your financial health, your current bank balance, spending alerts, or recent transactions. Scroll down a bit and you're going to see spending insights, like how much you spent, how much you spent this month, well, your upcoming bills, and even alerts for suspicious charges or savings tips. Along the bottom of the screen is your navigation menu, usually featuring tabs like accounts, where you can manage your linked banks and credit card accounts. You also have the transactions tab, where you find a full list of your recent spendings. You also have the subscriptions tab, where you can view and cancel recurring charges. Likewise, you have settings for profile updates and security options. Tap around to explore. Each section is designed to help you save money, to track expenses, and to simplify your financial life. And that's your quick tour of the Trim home screen. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to view your full financial summary using Trim. So be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.